Mr. 300C in the building. What's up, folks? All right, got my car back. We are back in the 300. Thank goodness, right? Getting off of work. Go pick up the kids. Well, two of the kids. But yeah, man, it's good to be back in the 300. And I actually, with all the negativity that's been happening with the car, I'm not even going front. I've been pretty happy to get my car back. So my last video, I was going to the dealership, my favorite place, but in all reality, they take care of my car really good. So they starting to know me out there. They like how the 300 sounds. They all think it's an SRT8. It's so funny. Like, nah, SRT design. Close, but no cigar. But anyway, alright, so we got the leak fixed. It's so nice to notice that I don't have any more leaks on the car. Amazing. And this is what they found out. So they said all four of the radiator hoses were loose. So that auto mechanic place definitely doesn't have any skills, and they just wasted my money when I went there. I only picked them because they were close, like literally across the street from my house. And so I wanted to give them a chance to earn my business, and I'm thinking about leaving them a bad review for their lack of skills that they did on my vehicle. So the radiator hoses were loose, so they tightened those up, and then I needed a new radiator cap. They said that was broken, so they put a new one on there, and then they did a coolant flush for me, and then they ended up doing it twice, but only charged me once, because after the first coolant flush, the coolant looked really bad and contaminated, and they felt that it wouldn't be, appropriate to do me dirty like that. So they did another flush again to get it back to where it needs to be. So I didn't have to pay extra for that, which was great. And then after that, everything was fixed. And so they charged me $371. That was with my discount that I got. So I was expecting like over $500. Luckily, it didn't get to that much. I wasn't even too mad about the 371, so I was like, I'll take that. Then they gave me a list of recommended repairs and services to do, because this car has 194k miles. So they told me I need to do a fuel injection cleaning. I need to change out the spark plugs. I need to do some transmission fluid, clean that all out with the filter, do the whole differential, liquid change, all that good stuff, right? So tons of liquid stuff in the flipping car. But yeah, that's gonna probably be around, if I was to do all that, like about $1,000 to get all that done. I told them, thanks, but no thanks. I'll do that later. I'm just happy to have the car back and get back on the road. So yeah, the car feels good. I put the tune back on the car after the dealership, and yeah, it's been driving great. I've been checking the driveway every time, making sure I don't have any secret leaks. And yeah, there's not one drop. There's not one drop on there, which is amazing, which is about time. So yeah, your boy's happy. I'm being positive, and just being grateful that I have a vehicle now, and keep it moving, man. So that's the update with the 300. Back in action. More videos to come. Thank everybody for watching. You guys have been very supportive. I love interacting with everybody with your questions or comments or concerns or feedback. I love it. It's good. Makes me feel like, hey, we're all human, right? We all want to help each other out. We all want to support and be positive. So I love it. Mr. 300's out. Peace.